everybody, today we're doing a trend alert. It's a fox eye makeup tutorial. You like fox eye? Yes, we're gonna lift the eye just so, no, it's gonna, no, I'm just playing. We're gonna lift the eye just a little and have some sexiness, because this is something we're gonna do all summer long. We about to get ready, because you know, in a minute we'll be able to get out the house. Once we can get out the house, I hope in Jesus' name. By the way, my name is Bridget Harrison, aka Bridget H. I'm a licensed hairstylist, a freelance makeup artist, and a lifestyle connoisseur. Yes. Let's get right into this video. So you're like, dang, Bridget, what you doing? So I cheat. Like me and Wings, we don't get along, get lines and stuff. So I'm cheating. I got me some tape. I just got some regular Scotch tape. I actually keep it in my kit. Before you put it on, make sure you take some and tap it on your skin some. So when you take it off, you're not gonna be like, ooh. Now with this eye, because of the way it is, I want to do my eyes first. Now today, what I'm gonna be using is my Morphe Artistry palette. I don't think I've made a video with this palette before, and I decided to use it because A, it's affordable. You know, I like to keep things simple, but at the same time, it has a black and it has all the colors I need, and you can use any color scheme that you want to do this look. I've already done my eyes. Now with this look also, your eyes, you could do like a more angled, like straight eye. You'll see some people do that, but I still kind of like my arch. So instead of me bringing my arch all the way down like I normally do, like, you know, down, I just kind of cut it off at the top. And you know, I actually put their legs kind of do my brows. Okay. I've already used some concealer and based my eye. Then I'm gonna take the NYX 31 brush. I'm gonna put just a tad bit more, just a little, just a little. And I'm gonna press that in because I don't want it to crease. So I'm gonna press that in with my finger. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do first is I like to use I like a matte like shadow in my crease for whatever reason. I'm gonna take my Morphe 441 brush and I'm gonna use a little Sunder. It's not too light, but it's not too dark. And we're gonna start. And I'm just gonna, yeah, this is perfect. And I love using my fluffy brushes because when you use your fluff brush and you're applying, because I'm not looking for a lot, I like to put it on and blend and fluff. I want to keep this very simple. So I'm going to use two blues and a black. I have product on the brush. We're going to apply this product along this tape. Now, I'm gonna do my best not to go no further than here just yet with the product. As you can see, the shape is forming, and it's really a lot easier with the tape for me. I'm gonna take my brush that had the brown on it and kind of just go around the corner, not the corner, the edge, and just kind of blend it. You could definitely use a smaller brush and do this. I've done that. I'm gonna take my 210 brush from MAC and I'm gonna go along my waterline. I'm not gonna put a lot of product and just add some of that blue to my knife. So now we're gonna go straight to our black. And I want to keep it, because I really want the blue to stand out. I'm going to keep this right here in this angle. So far we're just using two colors. We're just softening up the color. I'm gonna use one of my favorite pair of lashes. This is Miss, what's the name of these lashes? Oh, Miss Lashes. Get them at the beauty supply. They like $3. This is M371. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the middle of the lash and put the shorter to the longer part on, so it can accent with my eye, elongate with my eye. So I don't want a lash that's just gonna be long and that's it. I want it to go in an angle, so it'll make sense when you put it on your eye. She ready? Now, the one thing I didn't do, I didn't want to make it intense. I wanted to leave it to make my face more open. I wanted to make it open so it could go with the goal of making my face go up. And I did my highlighter and my concealer. All that stuff is going this way. And also, I cut my lash in half, which you guys seen that. Now, when I took the tape off and did my foundation, I softened up my ends. And I used a sponge like this. This is the Alcon sponge, by the way. I used the sponge, and if it got over some or a little, I just used it to help brush it and clean it up to keep it neat so it wouldn't look smoky, like all over here, over there, whatever the case might be. But I wanted it long because I was trying to be extra, because I'm extra AF, you know what I'm saying? I'm just playing. But no, all the videos I've seen, the young ladies I watched, they all had like, it was just soft and hard. You know, and it was one girl, she went hard. She did cut crease. I don't know how to do all that. So I was like, oh, she went hard. So I want to do something fun. It's about to be the summertime, summer colors, because you know, blue is just what that is. Now, the question of the day is, I know we've been wearing this, maybe not like this, but have you tried a box eye before? Just drop yes or no in the comments. Did you like it? Yes or no? Also, make sure if you try this look to DM me on Instagram, BridgetHarrison_hair_MBA, link below, and to text me. So y'all can get these videos, like when I upload them the day before or whatever, I can already send y'all the link the next morning. Be like, bam, before they drop, right when they drop, you getting the link. Not at the same time, but as soon as they drop, you get the link. And then bam, and you know, it keeps you informed with everything what I got going on. I'm not gonna spam you. Text Bridget H. Text Bridget H. BRIDGETTH 231996. Again, Bridget H. BRIDGETTH 231996. Yes, and make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you guys. I had fun.